Imagine a world where a train departing just 20 seconds early triggers a formal public apology. In Japan, this isn't just a quirky news story, it's the daily standard for a rail system that defines global reliability. Have you ever wondered how thousands of trains move millions of people with almost surgical precision? It's a fascinating blend of
Copy that.
extreme human discipline and a ritual you might
position.
find a bit
Understood.
strange at
Awaiting
first
your
glance.
signal.
If you stand on a Japanese platform,
clear.
you'll see staff pointing at clocks and tracks while calling out commands
Okay.
to themselves. This practice, known as Shisa Kanko, might look eccentric to a tourist, but research shows it reduces human error by a staggering 85%. By engaging the eyes, hands, and voice, the brain stays locked onto the task, preventing the small lapses that lead to massive delays. This level of focus is why drivers are trained to arrive within 5 seconds of their schedule. The technology behind the scenes is just as impressive. While many networks wait for things to break, Japan uses specialized diagnostic trains that scan tracks at high speeds using lasers to find tiny irregularities before they cause any downtime. Even the cleaning process is a choreographed masterpiece where teams refresh an entire train in exactly 7 minutes. This culture of accountability means that punctuality is viewed as the ultimate form of respect for your time. In this system, every second counts, ensuring that your journey remains seamless and predictable every single day.